Phase 2 of the COVID-19 vaccine rollout started this month, which now allows seniors 75 and up to receive the vaccine. Joanie Cullinan, a firefighter for the Wellesley Fire Department, received her first dose last month during Phase 1.
The vaccine was offered to all first responders, police, and fire in town.
She was the second first responder in Wellesley to receive the COVID-19 vaccine.
It was such an honor to be the second person to get the vaccine. It was an amazing day. I can't even begin to tell you how hopeful it made me feel. I'd be lying if I said that it didn't hurt, but nothing unmanageable. I didn't have any flu-like symptoms. I know some people do, but I felt pretty good. I had almost like one of my brothers punched me in the arm. I'd rather feel kind of crummy for a day than the alternative where you just don't know what's going to happen. And science has saved my life once as a cancer survivor. I'm going to trust in science again. It's definitely worth it to know that I can go hug my nieces and nephews soon, and my mom and dad, and all the things we've all been missing out on the past year.
She received her second dose on February 8th. The Wellesley Council on Aging has been working hard to assist seniors in navigating the process of scheduling COVID-19 vaccine appointments. Heather Munroe, the Director of Senior Services, says she and her team are here to help.
When the vaccination appointments first became available, we were seeing about 200 phone calls a day of seniors being really concerned and wanting to make sure that they were able to get an appointment and not really understanding that the appointments were going to take a while to roll out. And sometimes they weren't going to be as local as they wanted, but, we tried to do our best we could. The COA staff has been really instrumental in making all of this happen. If it weren't for all of them, we wouldn't be able to do this. We've been working very hard of recruiting volunteers and putting a little bit of a system in place so that any of the residents who are over 75 right now in Wellesley, and eventually will be, 65 plus, can give us a call. One of the things we do is we generally send out a weekly news blast. It's an email that you can sign up for on the wellesleycoa.org website. There's actually a spot for it. You can subscribe to the COA News. You can sign up there or even see our past news blast that we've sent out. We've been trying to send it out almost daily right now with any updates or changes we have or tips and tricks that folks can use. We're trying to collaborate all of the resources that are out there. So whether it's the state resources, sometimes from CDC, we meet regularly with the health department, but mostly what we're trying to communicate is, everyone should just take a deep breath and stay calm as much as they can. And it will all work out. Just going to take some time to put all the pieces together. Just remember, if you do need a copy of an attestation form, we do have blank copies outside the office at the Tolles Parsons Center, 500 Washington Street. They'll be up here all day long, even on the weekends, as long as they don't blow away. We don't have any snow that takes them, but they will be available here. And if you need any forms printed out or any help with anything, give us a call. We're happy to help however we can. So our number here is 781-235-3961. So it's 781-235-3961. They can give us a call there. They can also email us. If they do use a little bit of the computer, it's coa@wellesleyma.gov. They can get us either of those ways. The only thing we remind folks is there's only so many of us who are in the office at one time. So sometimes if you call and we don't answer right away and it gets to about 10 rings, please hang up and try us again in a little bit. It just means we have all the lines on hold and we're not able to get to that call right away, but we will answer as soon as you call back.